Greek Salepi, Salep or Sahlab Drink, serves one person. This is a very easy recipe for Salepi using cornstarch and spices. It's an alternative for those who cannot find the ready-made Salep in powder form but still want to have this favorite hot winter drink.
Γεια σας! Hi guys! Today I have something very special for you. I'm gonna make Salep. Have you ever heard of it? Do you know what it is? Salep is actually a drink. It's a very hot drink that Greek people drink during the winter times. It's very healthy and it actually helps a lot when you have a cold or flu, and also in the evening it really relaxes you and it helps you go to sleep. So come closer and let me show you how to make it. It's actually quite easy to make it yourself from the beginning till the end.
I still remember those days when I was much younger, the traditional Salepi vendors. They were in the center of Athens early in the morning on those cold winter days. On their small carriages they were selling this winter beverage kept hot in their bronze samovars, shouting, "Salepi, get your hot Salepi!" On my way to university early in the morning, I couldn't wait for the moment that I would get my hot Salepi to warm me up. Nowadays they are fortunately a very rare scene. Ingredients to make one Salepi. You need one bricky pot for 1 cup, a small steel pot with a long handle that can contain 300 milliliters milk. Then you need 300 milliliters, 1 big cup of fresh, full milk. 2.5 or 3 teaspoons cornstarch, maizena, corn flour. 1.5 teaspoon crystal sugar or 1.5 teaspoon honey. 1/6 teaspoon ground cloves, optional 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon to garnish. Place the cornstarch in a small bowl and add the ground cloves, cardamom and optionally ginger and a bit of milk. Mix them well with a small spoon to make a thick paste. Place the bricky over a low fire on top of the small hole. Pour the milk and add the sugar and the cornstarch and spices paste into it. Mix them well using a small whisker. Stay on top of the stove and continue whisking. The milk needs about 7 minutes to boil. Do continue with low heat to avoid the milk getting burned at the bottom of the pot. When milk starts to boil, stir continuously. When it starts to rise and reaches the top, remove bricky from the heat so that it will not overflow. Wait for 5 seconds and place it on the heat once more just for 2 seconds extra. Remove it and turn off the heat. Pour the hot, thick, rich Salepi into your cup. Sprinkle ground cinnamon on top. Ready! Serving suggestion. Serve Salepi and drink it while still very hot. It's perfect breakfast drink on a cold winter's day. Enjoy it also as an afternoon treat together with your favorite Greek chocolate. Greece travel info and Salepi info. Salep is a flower mostly obtained from the pulverized tubers of Orchis mascula and Orchis militaris. Salep flour is consumed in beverages and desserts, especially in places that were formerly part of the Ottoman Empire, where it is a traditional winter beverage. Salep has a long history in Greece. Before coffee spread, Salepi was extremely popular and widely available in the streets of occupied Greek cities. After the Asia Minor catastrophe in 1922, many Greek refugees found work as Salepi peddlers as well. Salepi is a wonderful antidote to the cold days and nights, but nowadays Salepi vendors are very seldom seen. Why? An increase in consumption is threatening orchids with extinction in parts of Turkey, Greece and Iran. They are protected by law, making it illegal to pick them or dig up their roots. Thus, the few street vendors left sell Salepi made from cornstarch, sugar, water and artificial flavor. Not the same taste as in the past. At least my recipe has no artificial flavors in it. In Thessaloniki, you can still see a few Salepi vendors, especially in the winter months, in the open markets. Don't miss tasting Salepi from their carriage.
Guys, the Salep is ready, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna sacrifice myself and try it for you. You have to drink it while it's very, very hot. This is really amazing, guys. You have to make this. You will really enjoy it. It's actually very, very good also for the stomach if you have an upset stomach. Enjoy it like I do. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Well, you know what to do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Greek Cooking Made Easy, and check my website for my recipe in text and in Greek.